Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will be seeing how can you fix your Verizon TV error code PLYB100 playback error. So here's a fix for your reboot and re-authorize fix. Fix 1. Restart your FIOS TV equipment. Turn off your TV and Verizon TV device. Unplug the Verizon set-top box or streaming device for 30 seconds. Plug it back in and wait for it to fully restart. Try playing the content again. Fix 2. You can restart your Verizon router. Unplug the Verizon router and then wait for 30 seconds. Plug it back in. Wait until the internet connection is fully restored. Test playback again. Fix 3. Check your internet connection. Verify other devices which can access the internet. If you are using Wi-Fi, move closer to the router or try a wired Ethernet connection if available. Restart your modem or router if the connection is unstable. Fix 4. Sign out and back in. Sign out of your Verizon account, close the app completely, and sign back in with your Verizon credentials. Try playing the content again. Fix 5. Update the FIOS TV app. Install any available updates from your device app store. Restart the app from after updating. Fix 6. Check for service outages. Check the My Verizon app or Verizon support pages for reported outages. If there's an outage, wait until Verizon restores service. Fix 7. You can verify your subscription. Make sure your Verizon TV plan includes the channel or on-demand content you are trying to watch. Fix A3. Authorize your device. Sign out of the FIOS TV app or streaming service. Remove the device from your authorized devices if that option is available. Sign in again to refresh your authorization. Fix 9. You can contact Verizon support. If PYLB100 still appears after trying these steps, you can contact Verizon support. They can verify your account authorization, refresh your TV service from their end, check for equipment or account issues that may require further troubleshooting. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.